Hi friends, welcome to Competitive Exams platform. Let us discuss about today's current affairs. Question number 1. Which of the following have joined hands to develop a vaccine for COVID-19? Answer is Sanofi and GSK friends. Sanofi and GSK are the pharmaceutical companies. These two signed a letter of intent to develop the vaccine for coronavirus friends. Going to next question. Which of the following has acquired Nigeria-based Grand Petroleum's lubricant assets in April 2020? Answer is GP Global friends. GP Global is a conglomerate of energy and the agriculture friends. It acquired the Nigeria-based Grand Petroleum assets in order to strengthen its presence in Nigeria and West Africa. Next question. Who became the first professional player of Pakistan to die after contracting the novel coronavirus? Answer is Jafar Sarfaraz friends. He is the first class batsman, middle order batsman. He played about 15 matches of Pakistan first class cricket friends. Going to next question. Who has been appointed as the new ambassador by Pokestars India in April 2020? Answer is MS Dhoni. MS Dhoni has been appointed as the new ambassador for Pokestars India. Prior to this, Nawazuddin Siddiqui was the brand ambassador, who is also a famous Bollywood actor. Next question. Which of the following has won the 13th International Prize for Arabic fiction? Answer is Abdullah Aisawi, and he won the prize for his novel Spartan Croat. He is the Algerian friends. Next question. BSNL in partnership with which of the following banks has launched a UPI based payment platform? Bharat Instant Pay. Answer is State Bank of India friends. Next question. Which of the following national parks built isolation wards for animals? Answer is Jim Corbett National Park friends. Jim Corbett National Park is situated in Uttarakhand. It has built isolation wards, and presently they are preparing 10 quarantine centers for animals also. Next question. Which of the following has announced a training program on COVID-19 from 17th April 2020 for healthcare professionals from SAARC countries? Friends, answer is Ministry of External Affairs. Ministry of External has proposed a training program that will be carried out by the central government, Indian Technical and Economic Cooperation. Next question. Which of the following has announced that Asia's economic growth in 2020 will grind to halt for the first time in 60 years because of the coronavirus crisis? Answer is IMF, that is International Monetary Funds. Next question. From which country have a total of 6.5 lakh medical kits for rapid test of COVID-19 been dispatched and is set to reach India in April 2020? Answer is China friends. Presently China is dispatching about 6.5 lakh medical kits from Guangzhou airport. They are used for testing rapid, and they are also the RNA extraction kits friends. Next question. Which of the following companies is working on a vaccine for COVID-19? A. Zydus Cadila, B. Serum Institute, C. Bharat Biotech. These three are collaboratively working on vaccine COVID-19 friends. So my answer is all of these. Going to next question. In how many bat species from Kerala, Himachal Pradesh, Puducherry and Tamil Nadu have the researchers found the presence of different kind of coronavirus, bat coronavirus? Answer is 2 friends. The study is taken by ICMR, that is Indian Council of Medical Research, and they also stated that there is no evidence or research to claim these bad coronavirus can cause disease to humans. Next question. A team of researchers of which of the following institutes have developed an affordable antimicrobial spray based coating for PPE and 3D printed ear guard for comfortable use of face mask by health workers? Answer is IIT Guwahati, friends. This spray based coating technique is developed by a professor called Dr. Bhiman B. Mandal and in collaboration with his PhD students, friends. So next question. Which of the following would be the first state to treat COVID-19 positive patients with allopathy and Ayurveda to boost their immunity? Answer is Goa, friends. It is declared by the Chief Minister of Goa, Pramod Sawant. He himself is a medical practitioner in Ayurveda, and he stated that with the help of allopathy and Ayurveda combinedly, by working together, they are trying to boost up the immunity and treating the coronavirus, friends. Next question. When is the World Art Day is celebrated? Answer is 15th April. 15th April is also the birthday of a famous artist called Leonardo da Vinci, and this World Art Day is declared by UNESCO to promote the development, diffusion and enjoyment of art. Next question. Roger Chapat died due to COVID-19 in April 2020, was related to which sport? Answer is ice hockey, friends. Ice hockey, and he is the player of Switzerland. He played for Switzerland in the national team, including in the Winter Olympics 1964, and he is also the highest scorer of Swiss League season 1964. Next question. Who has been appointed as the Managing Director and CEO of Care Ratings for 5 years commencing from 15th April 2020? Answer is Ajay Mahajan. He was also appointed as the MD and country head of Global Markets Group, and he started his career from Bank of America in 1990. Next question. In April 2020, who has been appointed as MD and CEO of Paytm General Insurance Limited? Answer is Vineet Arora, friends. Previously, he also served as CEO of Aegon Life Insurance Company. Before that, he was the Senior General Manager of Distribution, Marketing and Wealth Management at ICICI Securities Limited. Next question. Ranjit Chaudhary passed away in April 2020, related to which field? Answer is acting. He is well known for the films like Khubsurat, Kata Meetha. Next question. In April 2020, which of the following has issued over 10 lakh refunds worth rupees 4,250 crores in a week? Answer is Central Board of Direct Taxes. Okay, friends. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe, friends. Thank you so much.